Hi, welcome to StockX. I'm your host, John NACFE. I'm a cyber professional and stock market enthusiast. However, I'm not a licensed financial professional, and I encourage you to speak to one before making financial decisions. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. That being said, I do hope you get some great insight out of my content, and if you do, please like and subscribe. Today, I want to talk about the company behind the stock. I want to talk about Ideanomics. NYSE ticker IDEX, because I think Ideanomics has some great potential, and I want to tell you why. So let's jump right in. Ideanomics is an international company that is headquartered in New York, and has Alf Poor as their CEO. It was founded by Dr. Bruno Wu in 2017. They have offices in Beijing, Hangzhou, and Qingdao, which are all in China. However, they also have offices in Ukraine and Malaysia, as well as US operations. Ideanomics specializes in two different divisions, MEG, which is an acronym for Mobile Energy Global, and Ideanomics Capital. MEG focuses on three different aspects. Aspect 1, sales. MEG helps fleet operators move their fleet to electric vehicles. They earn their revenue by taking a fee of this conversion. Aspect 2, financing. MEG will help the fleet obtain financing to help ease the cost of the conversion of their fleet to electric vehicles. Aspect 3, charging. MEG will earn a fee by selling wholesale and prepaid electricity to the fleet owners so that they can charge their new fleet. Of course, they earn fees on this as well. So MEG has its hands in almost the entirety of the fleet conversion, from sales to financing to charging. This seems pretty smart if you ask me. Additionally, Ideanomics also owns Wave. Wave develops inductive charging solutions for medium and heavy duty vehicles in the United States. This means charging built into highways. Imagine charging as you drive. They are a majority stakeholder in Aeon, which is an approved EV manufacturer and distributor for Malaysia. Additionally, they have Trilitrek. Trilitrek will drive Aeon commercial EV sales, leveraging Chinese and Korean OEM partners for manufacturing. And what's most interesting to me is they own Medici Motor Works, which will develop the North American specialty vehicles, including pickup trucks and semi-trucks. This to me is the most exciting, but we will get more into that in a minute. I want to add that Ideanomics also has a 24% stake in Solartrack, which makes electric tractors. Imagine the potential with farmers when they need to move their fleet from gas-powered to electric. This seems like a good move by Ideanomics on their MEG side. Now let's move into their second division. Their second division is a financial tech or Fintech division, which includes Timios Holding Corp., which specializes in real estate transactions. They also have the Delaware Board of Trade, which brings specialization in investment trading. But my favorite of this division is Intelligenta, which brings AI and machine learning solutions for financial institutions and regulators. As a techie person, I love the thought of machine learning and artificial intelligence being incorporated in this company. Huge potential here. Now let's go back to Medici for a minute. Medici plans to build specialty vehicles, as I've already stated. As the world shifts to EVs, this is going to be big if they can pull it off. I think they have potential to do just that. In fact, Ideanomics has announced its sponsorship in NACFE, which is a nonprofit organization focused on the North American freight industry. They are a gold sponsor. Their mission is to help fleet operators make a transition to sustainable energy fleets like Medici is trying to develop. So they are pursuing this avenue strongly. The future really seems bright with this company, and I believe the CEO also strongly believes this, which is also a positive. Now let's see how the stock is reacting with investors. If we look at Ideanomics stock, again, this is ticker IDEX, we can see that it was listed on November 13th, 2018. So it's fairly a new stock. It was listed only at $3.07, and you can see it really plummeted down to under $2. In fact, $1.25. Now, it did come back up to $2.46 in June of 2019, but then it plummeted even further down to a record low of 37 cents. Now, once it plummeted to about 30 cents, somewhere around that 30-cent range, we saw it start to pick up again. We can see it bounce back up to about 86 cents, and then it came back down. But then we saw a strong interest, and it bounced back up to $2.22 before coming back down, unfortunately, again to 81 cents. However, recently, we've seen a new interest in Ideanomics as they continue to make big pushes in their two divisions. We can see a strong rise here back to $2.77, a small consolidation back to under $2, and then we can see a really big rise here now above their starting price. Now they're sitting at currently $2.78. However, I think this is really good growth considering that they did fall as low as 30 cents. So they've already made some big gains, and investors who have already believed in them have made a great profit. Now, I think this stock is going to continue to climb. In fact, I think this year we're going to see really strong revenue numbers from IDEX. But you don't have to take my word for it. In fact, I encourage you to do your own research. Please go out and look at their financials and do some reading about the company. Once again, this is StockAxe. I'm John McPhee, and you now know the company behind the stock, IDEX, Ideanomics. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and if you're interested, I have a Discord that I've recently made, and we're starting to raise our numbers in members. If you want a good location to talk about stocks, ask questions, and learn, please join my Discord. The link will be below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.